Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open menu, then find calendar and open it. Now tap on the month above, select the date and tap at the bottom right corner, select event, and over here you can add a title. Set up notifications, minutes, hours or even weeks before, click done, add location, people and many other things. When you're done, tap at the top right corner in order to save your event. If you want to delete it, tap on it, click at the three dots and choose delete, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!